Hey guys, do you want to learn how to dance salsa? That's exactly what this video is about. My name is Herman. I am a salsa dance instructor. I'm going to teach you the basic step for women. So if you're ready, get your dance shoes on, get up from the couch, and let's go. But wait. Before you go though, subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. See you soon. All right, guys, this is the basic step for women. Let's jump right into it. Starting with our feet together, the right foot first, in place, 1. Same thing, 1. Last time, 1. Then you go forward, 2, 3. You're gonna pause on 4 for a second, and then you're gonna step together. 5, go back, 6, step in place, 7. So, together, forward in place, together, back in place, together, forward in place, pause, together, back in place, hold, together, forward in place, together, back in place, or quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and quick, slow. Let's see it from the front. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, pause, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's it. That's the basic step for the women. This is what it looks like when we do it together. I'll be playing the leader's part, the male part. She's going to be playing the follower. So this is your footwork. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Together, forward in place. For you girls, 5, 6, 7. Together, forward in place. Together, back in place. Together, forward in place. Together, back in place. Together, forward in place. Together, back in place. With the hands, you're going to be holding with your 4 fingers like that, palm facing a little bit up, and you go again. The other hand, don't let it dangle just down like that. Keep it here by your side, and then when you move the step, when you do the steps, you want to move the arm as well a little bit, not super exaggerated, just a little bit so that it looks natural when you're dancing. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, so that was it. That's the basic step for women. Practice it, girls. That's the most important step. That's how you're going to progress to the next levels. You got to master that step, okay? Thank you guys so much for listening, and see you on the other video. Hey, awesome job for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the first step. This is the most important step in the whole dance, so practice it a lot. Make sure that you have it to the point where it comes second nature to you. That way, whatever comes next is super easy, okay? Most important step is your basic step. Practice it a bunch of times. See you guys on the next video. If you liked it, subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. See you soon.